Hey, 7 train, you're going to school. You're going to school tomorrow. School sucks. Well, shame on you. You're still going to school. Now go to bed now. Okay, fine. I don't even want to go to school. Anyway, school sucks. Well, shame on you. You don't have a choice. Okay, good night, Dad. Good night. The next day. Fuck! Oh my god, that scared me. That was your alarm. You set that duck there. Oh yeah. And it's time for school. No, if you don't go to school, I'm gonna whip your butt. Fine, I'll go to school. Whatever. You better have a good day, or else I'm gonna whip you. Fine. At school. Wait, 7 train is late. Well, I think he's coming right now. Sorry I'm late. That's okay. Well, my name is Mr. G Train, and I'll be teaching you today. Okay, fine. Now, take out your homework. If you take out your homework. Okay. Let's get our book bags. 7 train, why aren't you moving? Because I don't want to take out my homework. Well, you don't have a choice. Just take it out. Fine. Ugh. Okay. 7 train, follow us. The book bags are right here. Okay, I'm gonna unbox my book bag. And let's see. This is my homework. Oh wait, I still have my homework in my bag. Let me get it. And this is my homework. Okay, guys, pass your homework to me, and I'll check it and I'll grade it. Okay. Grab all of this. First goes is 3 train. Okay. Here's my homework. Let me check this. I'll grade this 7 out of 7. You did a good job, 3 train. Thank you. Now go take a seat. Okay. C train, you're next. Okay, here's my homework. Okay, you got a 5 out of 7. Not bad. I'll give you an A. G got an A+. 3 train got an A+. Okay. Last is 7 train. Okay. Let me check your homework. What? All of your answers are wrong. That's it. I'm giving you a 1 out of 7. Oh my god. Oh my freaking gosh. God. 7 train, how dare you hit me? That's it. You're expelled from school. Go home right now. Fine. And I'm throwing this at you. That's it. You're expelled. Fine. Well, that's a good sign. It's not. 7 train, why did you come home so early? I got expelled. Whoa. 7 train, how dare you get expelled? That's it. You're grounded for 16 quadrillion years. Go to your room right now. Fine. Well, that's the end of the video.